Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a quick trick to close a completely frozen game in Windows, even when Alt plus F4 and the task manager don't work. So here's the problem. Sometimes a game gets stuck, and no matter what you try, switching apps, pressing Alt plus F4, or even opening Task Manager, you're still trapped on that frozen screen. Super frustrating, right? But there's a simple fix using Windows Multiple Desktops feature. First, press the Windows key to bring up the task view. You'll find it just beside the search bar. Click on it. Right-click on the stuck game. Down at the bottom, you'll see an option Move To. Click that and then click on New Desktop. Now switch back to Desktop 1. You'll notice your game is still frozen on Desktop 2, but your main desktop is free again. From here, you can finally open Task Manager and end the game without being stuck. And that's it. This method works great when nothing else responds. If this helped you, make sure to like the video for more quick tech fixes, subscribe the channel, and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.